Hi, and welcome to the AUPHA Network. Today we're talking about blogging. If you've ever been curious about writing a blog or wanted to give it a try, or you've been interested in responding to a blog post that you've seen, this is the tutorial for you. First, let's talk about where you can find blogs. Starting at the home page, once you've logged in, you'll see if you scroll to the bottom, this little widget that's called Member Blogs, and it shows the 3 most recent blogs. To read one, you just click on the title, take a moment to peruse it, and if you'd like to leave a comment, give some feedback to the author, you can click on Add a Comment, type in your comment, and click Save. Once you've done that, it will show up down here in the comments field and gives the author a chance to respond to your inquiry. You can also rate the post if you like. You can contact the author, you can view her profile, and so on. Now let's talk about how you might write a blog post. So first you'll want to go to My Profile, click on Blogs. We were already kind of in this area. You'll see across the top a couple of different tabs. We'll start with Most Recent because that's where we default to. These are the most recent blog posts that have come in. But let's say you want to go to My Blog. This would be a list of all of the blog posts that you've submitted. My Contacts would be a list of all the blog posts that were submitted by your contacts. Top rated blogs. These have the highest rating scores. The most read, so these are have the highest number of views. You'll see this one has 154 views. And then unpublished. So if you've written something but you haven't published it yet, and we'll get to that in just a moment, you'll see it listed here. So let's say Jane is interested in writing a new blog post. All she needs to do is fill in the different fields. So we'll enter a title. New teaching idea for ethics. And we're going to type in a quick sentence here. Now Jane, if she's interested, she can format it in different ways if she would like. Sometimes you might want to do that to emphasize a certain point or communicate something. Once she's done with that, she can choose to associate it with a different community that she might be a member of. So let's say she's going to associate it with the test community. And then she can choose who can read her blog entry and who can make comments on it. You'll see definitions here of the different types of security groups that can view and read your blog. I would encourage you to leave it on public. That way you have the best opportunity for a broad readership, but you're certainly welcome to limit it if you prefer. And then who can make comments on it? Authenticated means that basically anyone who's able to log into the website, which is also which are only AUPHA members, can comment on the blog entry. So something to think about. So if she's not quite done with it, she wants to come back, she can click on Save for Later, and that's where we would come back to that unpublished list that we saw a few moments ago. But let's say she's done with it for today. So we'll click on Publish. And there's her post. And if we go to the home page and scroll to the bottom, there it is. We can see Jane's post right there. And if we wanted to look at the test community homepage, since she decided to associate her blog with a certain community, click on My Communities and go to the test. And there's her recent blog post right there. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you'll give blogging a try. You'll find it's a lot of fun and a great opportunity to engage and dialogue with your colleagues. Thanks and have a great day.